day.
Good day. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Precious Joy Villa, 25 years old, from Banga, South Cotabato. I'm single. I have 2 brothers and I am the second one in the family.
Do you have overseas experience?
No, ma'am, but I work here in the Philippines for 4 years and 6 months. I do household works like cleaning, washing, ironing, cooking, and marketing. But my main duty is to take care of 8-month-old baby boy.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby cry, I will check the baby's temperature. If she or he is sick, I will tell my employer. If the baby is hungry, I will feed her. And if the diaper is dirty, I will change it.
Are you willing to share a room with kids or newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Could you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full.
Are you okay if your leave is not on Sunday or Saturday?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay if your leave is compensated by the employer in salary instead of leave?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, ma'am, but I am willing to learn.
Lastly, please say something to attract your future employer to hire you.
To my future employer, if you are going to hire me, I promise to finish my contract. I will extend if you need me. I promise to treat you like my own family and learn how to speak your language and cook more Chinese foods. I am cheerful, helpful, hardworking, and positive thinking person. Thank you.
Thank you.